G'day guys, it's Rob from TaT. Not a technical one today. Today is just about reiterating the fact of making good use of the website. Obviously, if you remember, you want to make sure that you're making good use of these search functions. And usually what we do is when we get a vehicle booked in for a diagnosis, we're obviously on the computer at the same time. So we'll just have a quick look at TaT and see if there's anything that can sort of give us a head start in that direction. Obviously, behind us, we've got a 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The work's already done on it, but I thought I'd just show you what's going on with it. So this initially came in for a aircon fault. And while obviously booking the vehicle in, we just had a quick look at the website. And as you can see here, there's already a repair solution on an aircon fault for this exact vehicle. Now, if you go through it, you can see that they found that the condenser's leaking, and you know, knowing from memory that this is a bit of a common problem with these Jeeps in this sort of period anyway. And when the vehicle came in, we just went straight to the condenser and had a look, and it was leaking from exactly the same spot as this repair solution. Obviously in this one, they were using UV dye. If the vehicle hasn't got UV dye in it, you can use something like a lock trace, hydrogen-based leak detector, something that you may have seen us use before. I did a video on it for TaT a while ago. But yeah, it's as simple as that. You might be surprised at what you find on the website. You know, thinking, oh, I've got a Jeep Grand Cherokee, it's an aircon leak, I'm not going to see a repair solution based on that on the website, but there's so many different, repair solutions on the website that search whatever you like and you'd be very surprised at what you might find. So hopefully that makes sense to you guys, and obviously you can see the value in searching on the TaT website. You pay for your annual subscription, so why not make good use of it? Thanks for watching guys, and see you next time.